Cloud computing can be broken down into three models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. First, infrastructure as a service. In this model, cloud customer can rent the fundamental building blocks of computing such as servers, storage, and networking from cloud provider. Where a cloud provider hosts the infrastructure components including servers, storage, and networking hardware, and customer can access resources and services through a wide area network WAN, such as the Internet. Infrastructure as a service provides an easier, faster, and more cost-efficient way to operate a workload without having to buy, manage, and support the underlying infrastructure. It can be seen as pay-as-you-go model. It is an effective model for workloads that are temporary, experimental, or that change unexpectedly. It cuts ongoing maintenance costs. However, infrastructure as a service isn't secure enough for most critical data. Common scenarios where infrastructure as a service, test and development environment, website hosting, storage, backup and recovery, web applications. Platform as a service. Platform as a service is the next layer up, as well as the underlying storage, networking, and virtual servers. This will also include the tools and software that developers need to build applications on top of. That could include middleware, database management, operating systems, and development tools. Platform as a service builds on the infrastructure as a service model, where in addition to the underlying infrastructure components, we find that providers host, manage, and offer operating systems, middleware, and other runtimes for cloud users. Platform as a service is a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud, with resources that enable you to deliver from simple cloud-based applications to cloud-enabled enterprise applications. Platform as a service is designed to support the complete web application lifecycle, including building, testing, deploying, managing, and updating web applications. In this context, you manage the applications and services you develop, and the cloud service provider typically manages everything else. Common scenarios for platform as a service are development framework, analytics or business intelligence, workflow and security services. Software as a service. Software as a service is the delivery of applications as a service, probably the version of cloud computing that most people are used to on a day-to-day basis. The underlying hardware and operating system is irrelevant to the end user, who will access the service via a web browser or application. It is often bought on a per-seat or per user basis. With software as a service, providers host, manage, and offer the entire infrastructure as well as the applications for users. A software as a service user doesn't need to install anything. The user simply logs in and uses the provider's application, which runs on the provider's infrastructure. Common examples are email, calendaring, and office tools. Software as a service provides a complete software solution which you purchase on a pay-as-you-go basis from a cloud service provider. You rent the use of an application for your organization and your users connect to it over the internet. Software as a service allows your organization to get quickly up and running with an application at minimal upfront cost. Common software as a service scenarios: a web-based email service. With this service, you log into your account over the internet, often from a web browser. The email software is located on the service provider's network, and your messages are stored there as well. You can access your email and stored messages from a web browser or any computer or internet-connected device. For organizational use, you can rent productivity applications such as email, collaboration, and calendaring. More, you can rent sophisticated business applications such as customer relationship management (CRM) or enterprise resource planning (ERP). You pay for the use of these applications by subscription or according to the level of use.